Welcome back to Tech Nuggets. This video is a continuation of AWS Service Landscape 2022. In the last video, we had seen the essential categories and services in AWS. In this video, we will continue to expand our view on other important services. Before I get into today's video, quick channel analytics. This channel is getting very good amount of views. Thank you viewers. However, the percentage of subscribers or in the views are very low. If you are watching this channel first time or not a subscriber yet, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button now and follow me on Twitter. And another important announcement, this channel got 150 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Please keep subscribing. Let's get started. Each category and service itself can be a separate video. However, I will highlight some of the service which I use frequently and important my point of view. It may vary for your requirement and each slide can provide you a quick summary level reference for you. Okay, let's get started. So this category is a management and governance. The most important service which I use was CloudWatch. So this one is a very important service which used to monitor resources and application. So what happens most of the time, all of your resources you enable CloudWatch, so you can set a trigger and threshold. Once it reaches, it can create an alarm or it can trigger with some conjunction with other service, and it can give a notification or it can take some action. That's one of the most important service which I use. And we have the next one is Cloud Trial. So it can track user activity and API usage, just the changes it can happen. And this one, so the next service which I use frequently is AWS auto scaling. So this service used for your scalability requirement on your application on AWS. Okay, when we talk about infrastructure as code, meaning you code and control your environment using code, maybe the configuration level. So if the infrastructure is inside the code, it is very easy to version it, roll back and maintain it. That is where CloudFormation comes handy. So the entire infrastructure can be written as a CloudFormation and you can deploy and you can maintain very easily. Okay, and also you have other services like a chatbot, where you can write chat apps on AWS. Then app config. This config is again track your inventory changes. And on the other end, the first thing which we see is the service catalog. So this service catalog service used to curate the content. For example, you can govern and control the service which your organization can use. So for example, it is ITOps, ITSM approved services and apps can be filtered in this, so that others will not use any other service other than approved services. This is one of the important one. And the other one what we have is a trusted advisor. This is used to optimize performance and security part. Okay, then we have AWS organization. So this will help you to central and govern management of AWS account across your organization. For example, you may have a main account, root account, then you will have a sub account as per your department. All of that can be modeled using AWS organization. Then we have OpsWorks. This is a configuration management Chef and Puppet. This is also most frequently used. Then AWS always encourage bring your own license. Okay, when you have more licenses, it's very difficult to manage those. Like that's where AWS license manager helps you. You can set rules and manage, discover, report any third party license usage proactively. And the last one, but not the least, AWS well architected tool. This is used to follow the best practices, measure and important, improve your workload, design and development. Okay. Next category is machine learning. Machine learning is another very important category, and this category contains a very extensive list of services. Let's go through some of the service. It's not that I have used all of the service. Some of them I have used, so maybe some of the services may fit for your requirement. It may be useful for you. Let's get started. The first one which I would like to highlight is Amazon's SageMaker. This is one of the important service. This is used to build, train and deploy machine learning models. This is one of the core service any data science would like to use. The reason being, it gives the entire development environment till deployment of any machine learning models. Okay, then associated with machine learning, there are other lot of other services. For example, you take Deep Composer. So Deep Composer is allows developers of all skills levels to get started with generative AI. Okay, and you have a deep lens. This is for a video camera. Then you have a deep razor, deep lens, and then you have a deep razor. So this deep razor is, it's a 1/18th scale race card driven by machine learning. So this is important service, and it has been highlighted many of the reinvent event of AWS, and they hold a lot of competition also. Then we have text related, text to speech related. For example, you have translate text tract. So the text tract will help you to easily extract the text and data from virtually any document. It is something similar to OCR, and that will be useful. And you have Amazon Poly, turn text into lifelike speech. Then Amazon Recognition, search and analyze images. Okay, and you have lot more services. Then the another one important, Amazon Health Lake, making sense of health data. Then Amazon Kendra, so this is highly accurate enterprise search service powered by machine learning. So there's a lot more service. It's not that I have used, or as I said, I don't want to read out also. What we can do, maybe if you want, you can pause this video and take a look at the services, and you can use it for whichever the service, whichever it fits for your requirement. Okay. Next category is Internet of Things or IoT. The first one I would like to highlight here is free RTOS. That is free RTOS in IoT operating system for microcontrollers. Okay. The second one is a core, that is IoT core. It connects device to the cloud. It's one of the important thing. Then I would like to say IoT analytics, that is collect, pre-process, store, analyze and visualize data of IoT devices. This is another very important service which I would like to call it, because once we have your IoT device such as Raspberry Pi or Node MCU or Arduino, so this IoT analytics will help you to process entire data end to end. Then we have IoT green grass, that's deploy, run code, run on your devices. Then you have all other related IoT services like IoT one click, IoT device defender, that's your securing your device. Then IoT device management, IoT robo runner. There's a quite lot of service on IoT. The next category is a media service. In the service, The important one is the elastic end transcoder. So this is one of the highlight of this category, because this is a scalable media transcoder. It will fit any of your transcoding videos or any media files. Okay, then you have a kinesis video streams, that is the capture, process and store video streams for analytics and machine learning. Then we have a media connect, that's a reliable, secure and flexible transport for live video. Then you have media package, media store, media tailor, nimble studio, all of these are media service. Next category is business applications. So in this I would like to highlight Amazon Work Docs, that is your secure enterprise storage and sharing service. Then you have Amazon Work Mail, that is secure email and calendaring service. Then we have Amazon Chime, that is basically a communication service, that's for online meeting and communication. Then you have a Connect, Honeycode, Pinpoint, simple email service. Then also the other categories are trending category, which is blockchain and AR/VR and quantum technology. For a blockchain, we have Amazon managed blockchain, and AR/VR we have Amazon Sumerian, that's where build AR/VR 3D applications, and quantum technology, that's the latest entrance on this is quantum technologies, that is Amazon Bracket. Next category is containers. So this is another important one, that's which I would like to highlight: Elastic Container Registry and ECS, Elastic Container Service, Elastic Container Registry, or ECR in short, fully managed Docker Container Registry, share and deploy container software publicly or privately. Then ECS, that's Elastic Container Service, highly secure, reliable and scalable way to run containers. Then you have EKS, that is Elastic Kubernetes Service, so the most trusted way to start, run and scale Kubernetes. Then we have a Red Hat OpenShift service on AWS. Then the next category is customer enablement, where we have a customer related service. One is support and managed service. This is support is contact AWS to technical and account support. Then we have managed service, then AWS IQ, then activate for startups. Okay, then we have next category is developer tools. There is a quite interesting list of service what we have. One is a Cloud9, that is a cloud IDE for writing running debugging code. Then Cloud Shell, it's a CLI, browser based CLI to access a Amazon management console. Then we have Code Artifact, secure, scalable and cost effective artifact management for software development. It's a artifact repository. Then we have code build, that is build and test code. Then code commit, code deploy, code pipeline, that is CI/CD. So this falls under CI/CD category. Then we have code star, AWS FIS. Then X-ray, that is X-ray is analyze and debug your applications. Okay, so these are the tools on the developer, where it covers the various range like develop, deploy, debug and CI/CD, everything it covers in this. Okay, next category is end user computing. Under that we have AppStream 2.0, that is stream desktop application securely to any web browser, something like a Citrix client. So work link, then workspaces. Okay, workspace is important one, desktop is in the cloud. Then we have a front end, web and mobile category, where we have AWS Amplify, AWS AppSync, Device Farm, then Amazon Location Service. So in this, probably the Amplify is the one which frequently used, and AppSync also. Then we have our other categories, more advanced one, that's a game development, where we have Amazon Game Lift, then Amazon Game Sparks. Okay, Amazon Game Lift used to deploy and scale session based multiplayer games, and Amazon Game Sparks used to build, optimize, scale customizable game features. Then we have robotics, that is AWS RoboMaker, develop, test, and deploy intelligent robotics application. The other one is a satellite, that's a ground station which you use to communicate with satellite. It's a much more advanced service. So these are the service landscape in 2020 as of today, the recording of AWS, and this is a growing list. Maybe by the time you watch, after some time, the list may would have got updated in AWS. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Subscribe, like it, share it, and follow me on Twitter. Thank you very much.